Imagine the mid-1980s. It was an era of boxy designs, German sedans dominating the market, and the search for the perfect balance between comfort and speed. It was during this time that the Italian company Lancia decided to take a bold step. They took their sturdy but perfectly ordinary Thema business sedan and transformed it into a car capable of competing on equal footing with a Ferrari. This is the story of the Lancia Thema 8.32, a car that has forever remained in the shadow of legends, but has earned its place as one of the craziest experiments in automotive history. So what makes this car so special? The answer lies under the hood. The 8.32 designation isn't just a set of numbers. It's a formula, 8 cylinders and 32 valves. As part of the Fiat group, Lancia gained access to the Holy of Holies, the engine from the Ferrari 308 QV. Of course, the engine was adapted for a front-wheel drive chassis. The cylinder block was reworked, the camshaft angles were adjusted, and the crankshaft was replaced with a less aggressive one to make the car's character more docile. As a result, the 3-liter V8 produced about 215 horsepower. For 1986, these were impressive figures, allowing the sedan to accelerate to 106.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 240 kilometers per hour. But the 8.32 is about more than just speed. It is a manifesto of Italian luxury. The interior was upholstered in leather from the famous Poltrona Frau factory and accented with natural walnut wood inlays. However, the main feature that delighted passersby was the active rear spoiler. It was hidden in the trunk lid and smoothly extended when a certain speed was reached or a button on the console was pressed. It was the world's first production sedan with this technology. It was a car that looked like a staid business-class vehicle, but when you pressed the gas pedal, it transformed into an Italian athlete, bursting forward with the characteristic low growl of a V8. Of course, this masterpiece didn't have an easy life. Mounting a Ferrari engine in a front-wheel drive platform turned maintaining the car into a real nightmare for owners. Access to the engine was limited, replacement parts cost a fortune, and reliability. Well, let's just say it was a true Italian car of that era. Fewer than 4,000 units were produced in total. Many of them haven't survived to this day due to the difficulty of maintenance and corrosion. But today, the Lancia Thema 8.32 is a cult classic among collectors. It's a symbol of a time when engineers could afford to be reckless without worrying about marketers or environmental regulations. The Lancia Thema 8.32 is an example of how an ordinary family sedan can be given the heart of a supercar. It was a car with soul, character, and that very Italian charm that cannot be measured in seconds to 100. If you're lucky enough to spot one on the road, take a good, close look. It may well be one of the most underrated cars of the 20th century. What do you think? Was it worth complicating the design of an ordinary sedan just to install a Ferrari engine? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other stories about legendary cars. Give it a like, and see you next time.